Imagine yourself in this 2009 GMC Canyon. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: stability control, passenger vanity mirror, power windows, passenger airbag, floor mats, bed liner, rear-wheel drive, and traction control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.